Hello, Travers citizens. I'm Caitlin Watkins of Grand Travers Reiki, here to talk to you about the third eye chakra and things you can do at home to get it in balance and keep it in balance. The third eye, or indigo chakra, deals with intuition, inspiration, and perception. It governs the eyes, nose, sinuses, face, and third eye. When out of balance, one may feel unable to look beyond problems of the daily grind, set a way forward for yourself, reject any spiritual or beyond the usual, be unable to see the bigger picture, have fantasies that seem more real than reality, and generally lack clarity. When in balance, one has good vision, intuition, and perception, a connection to wisdom, and is motivated and inspired to creative pursuits. Your third eye is located right here in this area. Your third eye chakra encompasses this whole area. So that includes your eyes, your nose, your sinus cavities. Remember last spring we had a particularly high pollen count, so a lot of clients came in with a lot of action happening right in here in their third eye chakra because their sinuses were really stuffed and congested. So one of the things that we're doing when we're working on the third eye chakra is making sure that there's clarity all through this area. There's clarity in our vision, in our sense of smell, and getting those sinuses all cleared out, as well as clearing out headaches. This can be a big area for headaches as well as that other kind of intuition and that kind of clarity. So the vowel sound for the third eye chakra is I, which is the same as the throat chakra, except this one, if you remember, is a little bit higher. So in order to get this I noise, we're going to lift the soft palate. So the roof of your mouth, it's sort of solid right here. And then if you go all the way back, back more towards the esophagus, it gets so that that part can lift. If you're going to yawn, you'll feel it go up. Another thing you can do to make that noise go up is to lift your eyebrows. And this will help you draw the noise up. We're not singing in our head voice. We're not going super high with this. It's just a more lifted sound that will help clear out this particular area. So you can actually start by saying just I, and then sliding it up into the next one. I. So don't start in a quiet sort of place, because remember what we're doing is trying to resonate, trying to make this noise break things free. So don't go higher than maybe you really can go in that register. You can start the first I pretty low and then just have it go a little higher. Just try to feel that sense of lift, and you should feel it resonating up here. So sit up nice and tall as we do and go, I. Phew. A steady base is beneficial while bringing the third eye chakra into balance. You can adopt the casual crisscross applesauce position, though some may find this difficult on their knees. You can also adopt the same pose against a chair or wall. And if your knees are a problem, you can stretch out your legs in an acute V to your level of comfort. This position will give you stability with 3 points of contact with the ground, each leg and your seat. For more advanced students, you can try lotus pose. Bring one foot up onto the opposite thigh. Then do the same for the other foot. Lean forward a bit to ensure the 3 points of contact. There are a variety of different hand positions available. Use whichever is most comfortable to you at this moment. Let your eyes draw closed and feel space between each of your vertebrae. Feel the support of the floor and the extension upwards of your spine, and bring focus to your third eye. Breathe deeply. When you come out of it, you may want to shake out your legs. The best way to nourish the third eye chakra is not so much from food. You can still eat foods that are in that indigo color, good luck finding them, probably blueberries, but the better way to do it is through love and a connection to the divine. So often when people hear love, they think that that must involve other people. So if they are not around other people, that they can't nourish this, and that actually isn't true at all. One thing that you can do to show love is loving your space. So, going to a different angle in the kitchen today. You can love your kitchen itself by washing the floor. And when you're loving it, you've got to really get in there, and I suggest using Q-tips and really getting down into all of the crevices. If you give something in your house a good thorough scrub, that's showing love to that, and that will help your third eye. Thanks for watching. For more help getting your chakras in line or to keep your energy fresh, be sure to book an appointment with me at gtreiki.com. We come from the land of the ice and snow with the midnight sun and the hot springs flow. Hammer of the gods.